So guys, today I'm going to be playing gmod, the new game for you guys that I will be taking videos. And this time we will do something really popular and interesting. Let's get it. So first is first, to do that is by actually giving yourself a mod, because I'm playing the gmod with mods. So if you go here to the weapons, there's this. I'm gonna click on this button and using it to. I will you look at that. Look at this. Look at what I spawned. Look at this. This is a butterfly knife. Actually, the cool looking. It's an emerald one, and it's really cool looking theme. Actually, really usable. Check this out. This is an emerald butterfly knife. Really popular. There's a lot of tricks with this, like spinning it. Yeah. And yeah, so the cool fact I like when it's opening like this. And it can be used for, we will put this knife to a test. So let's get it. First things first, unbox the package. Let's do this. What the heck? There. It did unbox the package though. Yeah, so basically it is used for unpackaging. How about the box? Definitely. Now let's put it to a combat. We have ourselves the turret set up, and let's see, can we get them all? Let's go. That's one. That's another one. And another one. Get in there. Get in there too. So yeah, basically we need to put something better, like unpackaging way too many boxes. That will be good too, right? So now let's go to the spawn list. Bunch of carton boxes right here. Let's get it. You need a closer aim with this knife to get something, because from far away it's not really getting anything. How about a sofa? This is a little sofa. I never see such a sofa though. You can sit in here, but still you cannot really sit. Can we pickaxe it? No, we cannot. Indestructible. How about we try to unbox the... What the heck? Never mind, let's not unbox that one. How about unboxing something hard? Can it get through? Of course it will not be able to get through, just like I expected. Never mind. So yeah. And let's try now with if it even can break hard objects, so it definitely might break these objects, right? It depends on a hit. So how about the largest option? Dang, this knife is really powerful, guys. If you wanted this mod, just go to the Steam and then go to the Steam's workshop and then write the butterfly knife. There should be popping up the emerald butterfly knife. Just download it. It's so good. It will come into this, like you go to the weapons and it will be a butterfly knives, and this is you can just spawn it with the tool, or you can just spawn it to yourself. So yeah, only players can pick this weapon up. it is not pickable for any NPCs or what have you, but there is, if you play with the multiplayer, they can pick it up. But they should have the same mod, I think. They should have the same mod as you, so they can go to your server, or yeah, because everybody should support the mod, so it will be working for someone. Okay, now let's go straight up back to destroying things. We will summon some boss here. Freeze the NPC. We also have a guard, which is this thing, which is his. What the heck? So yeah, and we will use a lot of things, like roller blade. Explode it. I know you can play the football with this. You can play soccer with this knife. If you have a ball. So. Also, we will CD scanner. No, you know. And yeah. This knife. Look at that. Okay. Okay, now let's start to our combat. First is first, the CD scanner. Easy. This blade ain't nothing. This guy, nothing. The bot, what the heck? Yeah, really liking. Can it destroy something? What the heck? Can it destroy something like this? I'm gonna go for the bombs first. Never mind. Lucky bomb? No. Can it destroy the entire thing? Apparently not. Well, you can with your machine. But the most cool thing about this is it still can do some damage to a vehicle, like scratches, you know? Not even a scratch, never mind. Apparently it cannot do scratches to the vehicle because it's not the prop, it's the vehicle. Okay, whatever, how about we just go straight back to our... Is that a shield? It's really satisfying to break the scanners. So good, so good. Look at this. We have a suit? But how? Is there enabled this suit? What the heck? There's no such a suit allowed on the server, but then how I have a suit though? Never mind. Now let's go skydiving.
Help!
Oh, never mind.
Help! Ah!
Never mind, let's go. So yeah. Second things, what I really want to do is to make the fight with the bots. There is a bots around the place, including these guys. These guys. Can we actually kill one? Stab you. Stab you. Stab you. Stab you. Stab you. No, you cannot, I guess. Ow. Problem solved. Yeah. So this is really cool knife for unboxing. You can get it on Amazon, I guess, and it's selling on Amazon, Tamo or wherever. Let's go. Bro, I'm spam clicking my mouse right now just to break this theme. It might take a while. No, it's not. How about we taking this? Ooh! Summon a bunch of them. If you spawn one of all of them at one spot. Oh, so right click. Right click is only for enemies. Because the right click is only if you wanted to fast click your enemy. I guess this is how it works. So now let's go to a table. Nope. But it did break. Let's go to this. Never mind. How about a door? This is a metal door. I cannot do anything about it. You cannot break the door. How about wooden? It's wood. You can break wood, but for some reason you cannot break the wooden door. This does not make sense. Now let's try something that we didn't try before to break down. Like, I don't even know what else we can try. I mean, we tried everything pretty much. How about what is this? This is a box that it's unpacked. How about this? Let's do now explosives. Including gas can, propane, and a barrel. Let's get it. Gasoline. It's exploded. No, this was not wanting to explode. Even hit the gun. And this one also. RPG. Yeah, so now let's try to unbox the giant boxes, wooden crates. That's a lot, I can say. Let's go. Oh, we can right click these boxes. Strange of the knife is really thick. Basically, you cannot break it down easily. Efficiency, really good. It's really effective. And power is not really good because it depends on your power. How hard is winning. And the sharpness is really sharp. Just look at the end of this blade, bro. Look at the end of this blade. Look at this, bro. And for the showcase, thumbs up. Really nice color, really nice skin, and really nice showcase. How I just like do some tricks with this, and really cool opening. It is kind of looking like a pocket knife, you know. If you like having an Amazon package, like. We ordered the Amazon package instead of using your crowbar, you can just use this. See what I mean? So yeah, this knife is really effective, but doesn't effective on all of the items. Let's see. How about this? How about this blue basket? The heck? Get back. You can play football with this knife, low key. It's really fun, though. So now let's go and give it more tests, see what it's up to. We can see what it's up to. Now let's test can be sharpened with some. Most logical way how the knives can be sharpened with is with the other sharp objects. Sharp objects can sharpen the other sharp objects. And this is pretty sharp. On the edges, as you can see, it's sharpening. didn't seems to be quite working. Also, if you didn't see on the handle, there's this green lock thingy. It locks the knife, so you don't accidentally poke yourself with this or stab yourself. Speaking of stabbing, we can stab enemies right now. I mean boss. I mean turrets. Stabbing. What the heck? Oh yeah, because NPC is disabled. I'm gonna fix it. See? I fixed it. And it's dead now. On the top of right corner. Now let's try to attack most likely whatever this is. I already fight with this. And with this also. No thank you. Thank you, but really no thank you. Whatever this is, I want. I told you to stop. You didn't listen. No, you're not. No, you are not. Problem solved. Yeah. Let's try to fight with lots of them. Okay, let's go, guys. Okay, there's way too many of them. I win. I won this round. How about we fight something like this, guys? This is the boss, right? I don't even know who are they. No, you are not. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. Get attacked, bro. He didn't even hit me with his laser, and he was already dead. Now let's try something like... We will fight... This is next boss. Oh. Run. How about we actually escape him? Now he's deleted. We'll not escape him because we still have a next bot. Not creepy and not scary and not bad. He's a doggy. A doggy. And how about a crow? Get back. Get back here. This sucks. This sucks. No flipping way I just got that. No flipping way I just got that. How? Yep, you can buy this one or install this mod. Really nice. How about we attack a pigeon? No, pigeon. I as fast as a pigeon. No way. Oh my god. Why if you attack a bird, they will go flying into space, huh? This is really weird, and I'm not sure why. So, let's see what we actually up to here. I really like to attack some of these guys, so let's do this. Stab. 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 They're still alive though. They just off themselves. System is lost. Also, there's really cool mod that I also installed. It's this. You can pick them up and yeet them. Basically, you cannot pick up any guys like this and let them fall. With the... Please shut up. So now let's go to attack North City Scanner. Look at the lights. Hello? Stop flashbang. Got that. So now let's go with something more harder. Harmless? Tries to get me, but he will actually ram me. And he actually might do damage by ramming, so he's actually not that much harmless. Please stop pursuing me. Wow. I don't know that you... Oh, please help. Oh, please help. Oh my gosh. We just monster killed them all. How about attacking more bots? Like... Silly... Turret? Can someone please hear this? Please? What are you doing? That's a ceiling camera. Yeah, we need a turret. Oh! We just activate this between any shots. Never mind. It's been this round. But not anymore. Oh, I know how. The answer is only one. RPG it. Now how to destroy it? Stop it. I know. Wanna see a magic trick? Abracadabra. There you go. So yeah, and thank you for watching, and I see you next time. Bye.